Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amadeus TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Bulugwane City 0. I'm joined by the chairman of Kwakuka Extension Branch.
The hustler.
It's the hustler.
Oh, let's see what I mean.
Yeah.
Stibo. I love you. That's why I will forgive you. Good as Anguzala, Wahamba, Wayale. If one of my children on phone, why no spew, why no phone, little Namati? Bengo Satamati to Fazom, I wanted you guys to be here. No supporters in it doesn't echo. Is it doesn't echo support? Is it doesn't echo support? One of the things I like to say, I wasted easy. Yeah, we don't waste easy. Yeah, we don't pass that waste time easy. I am a Richard Pay. I am a Chuchu. Baba Straki. Yeah, delicate to see. Yeah, delicate to see. And Estibo, return on the investment. Return on the investment. Tina, we're the best. I want to say both Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. Yeah, as my phone came now. We don't need their headbusters. We don't need anyone. Tina is the melody. We are the best. Tina, 57. We don't need them. We don't need them. We are not their friends. We are not their friends. We don't need their support. And there will be no one who's doing us a favor. Cabo Yellow is the best team. Will do us our favor. We fight our own making. This is Cabo Yellow. Mamelodi Sundowns. Cabo Yellow. Pros, I'm going to play the Kaizer Chiefs World Cup.